It should be investigated, that declaration from the Prime Minister this evening as a response to TVJ's exclusive story of a former National Security Minister approving a gun license for a man of questionable character.
Andrew Holness responded to the issue today at a press briefing at Jamaica House. So will the country know why the gun license was issued?
TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
A gun license issued to a man we called Person A, even though the police said he was a member of a criminal gang and involved in lottery scamming.
I'm presently getting a brief on the matter that was raised in your story. I had previous information on the matter, but I'm getting an updated brief on the matter.
A matter that has the nation talking and asking why former National Security Minister Robert Montague decided to grant the license, even though the board and review board of the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA said no. Under the Firearms Act, a National Security Minister is allowed to overrule the FLA's review board. That happened 29 times during appeals from March 2016 to April 2018, fueling calls for an audit. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has taken note.
What has come to my attention in my discussion with the current Minister of National Security is that there have been cases stretching back 4 years, 5 years, of ministerial discretion being used to give firearm licenses to persons who were previously refused. And I believe all those cases should be investigated.
No timeline for those investigations, but the Prime Minister says he has spoken to current National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang and will also be speaking to the Police Commissioner. So, why did Person A get the license? The information on that specific case as well as others should be provided soon.
Then, after discussion with the Cabinet, we will take a decision, which is likely to be that all these cases should be investigated and there should be transparency and the public should know what are the reasons behind the use of ministerial discretion in that way, and indeed who are the persons who are involved.
The nation awaits the findings. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.